Hi everybody, it's Sam here. And guess what? We're going to do another musical quiz today. Do you remember last week we did a musical quiz on Guess the Movie Part 2, didn't we? Well, today we're going to do a musical quiz on Guess the Animal Sound. So, do you remember last week I showed you the answers, didn't I? Well, I'm going to do the same this week. So if you don't want to see them, you know what to do. You hide your eyes or look away, because here they come. So these are all the different animal sounds you're going to be hearing today. Look at all those lovely animals. Okay, so I'm going to put them down now, so if you're hiding your eyes, you can open your eyes now. Shall we listen to number 1? Okay, let's go. Have you got any ideas what this one might be? You find them in a park, on a pond. I think you might have it now. It's a duck. Yes, look at that. Well done. Good job. Number 2. It's a lovely sound, isn't it? That's the Macatron sign. They come in lots of different colours. You might see them up in the sky. Have you got it now? I think you have. Yeah. These are birds. Look at that. Birds. Right, we're going to listen to number 3. And I might do the Macatron sign for this one. Have you got any ideas? I think you might. Yes. It is horses. Look at those. Beautiful, aren't they? Well, that was number 3. Let's listen to number 4. A little clue. Now, over in this country, you can see them in zoos, safari parks. But in other countries, they're out in the wild. Have you got any ideas? I think you have. Yes. It's an elephant. And that's a very big animal, isn't it? Big animal. So let's listen to number 5. Now, some of you might have these as pets at home. Have you got any ideas? I think you're right. Yes. It's a dog. It's a small dog, isn't it? So it's a bark of a small dog. So, that was number 5. Let's listen to number 6. You might find these on a farm. Do you recognise this? I think you might. These are, look at that, chickens. And number 7 coming up now. Have you got any ideas? Do you know what this might be? Bee. Yes, it is bees. Buzzing around the hive. So let's listen to this next one. Oh, that's the sign. And again. And I have 2 of these at home. 2 little tiny ones. They're only 12 weeks old. Yes. They're cats, aren't they? Yes. Well done. That was number 8. Coming up, number 9. Ooh. find these on the farm, don't you? Have you got it? Yes! These are pigs, aren't they? Look at those. Oh, they're very cute. That's number 9, number 10 coming up. Oh, now this is quite a difficult one. These live at the seaside. Have you got any ideas? Let me show you. These are sea lions. Look at that. Lovely. So that's number 10. Number 11 coming up. I think there's more than one of these I can hear. You find these in a tropical rainforest, over in this country as well, in ponds. You might have some in your back garden. Have you got it? I think you might. Yes. These are frogs. And look at them. They're lovely, aren't they? Look, beautiful, bright green colour. Wow. So that's number 11. Coming up, number 12. Oh, what could this be? That's an interesting sound, isn't it? Now, I actually haven't seen one of these before. Have you got any ideas? Are you thinking a woodpecker? Look at that. That's a woodpecker. That's number 12. Right, let's go on to number 13. This is interesting. This is quite a tricky one, actually. Because it actually sounds like a monkey. But it's not a monkey. You find these in Australia. Have you got any ideas? Well, this is a laughing kookaburra. Look at that. That's quite a tricky one, wasn't it? Right, number 14. It's a little bit easier, this one. Have you got it? I think you have. Yes. It is cow. It's a cow, isn't it? Well, I think there's lots of cows. I can hear many of them. Moo. Look at that. They're beautiful, aren't they? On to the very last one now. Ah, that's a sound you hear quite early in the morning. They live on farms. Have you got any ideas? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes, it is a rooster. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow, I cannot believe that's the end of our quiz. 15 different animal sounds we listened to then. Well, I hope you really, really enjoyed it. Okay, and take care, keep safe, and I really, really hope to see you soon. Okay, bye, goodbye.